Hey there, I'm Louie, and I'd like to introduce to you Amigurumi 101, a new series brought to you by Club Crochet and produced by me. In this series, we're going to be learning how to crochet your amigurumi quicker, easier, and better. This series will include lessons on new stitches to add to your crochet arsenal. These will be both basic tutorials for how to crochet a new stitch, as well as how the stitch specifically performs when crocheted in different ways. Techniques to inspire design ideas and methods for planning out your amigurumi. These will be not only tutorials about how to actively make something, but also how to think about what you're making in a critical way to make your crocheting easier. And finally, build your own patterns that you can combine to create your own custom creatures or characters. Amigurumi 101 will be a consistently updating series, so if you're not a member, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and enable push notifications, or join the email notification list so you don't miss new free episodes. And if you are a Club Crochet member, you'll get early access to lessons months in advance, exclusive tutorials, as well as access to all the patterns in the Club Crochet library, which is also consistently growing. Memberships start at only $5 a month, and you can learn more at clubcrochet.com. You can get started with Amigurumi 101 with one of these lessons right here, or visit amigurumi101.com to browse the full collection of lessons. Thanks for watching and happy hooking!